Chris, I know you've done about 35 use cases right now. Did you put IT tech teams like you had the intern who's AI adapt with the domain? How did you bring these two together to experiment? Because a lot of the challenges is that if you do it from a tech and AI, then you have the not invented here syndrome. You do it from the business side, but you don't know all the tech chops and you're just doing a glorified search. So you must have done something great to bring these two stakeholders together and to help you scale. How did you do that?
Initially, the first probably 2 years was a grassroots kind of bottoms up innovation. And at the end, we're trying to introduce new concepts to the organization. And what we try to do is create an intake process that, first of all, educating functions, employees on what the value of AI is. And the intake process was opening up to ideas. So really creating that idea generation across the organization to really engage and to hear what the art of the possible is. And the intake process, I think, we were very successful with that. And it generated a number of ideas. But it wasn't just, hey, take the idea, throw it over the fence. It was now that partnership between business, IT to really start to shape those ideas. Because again, what we were trying to do is have the business user articulate the use case. What are you trying to solve for? And we're not asking you to understand AI, but what are you trying to solve for? And what is the value creation that if we do, what is it going to create for the function, the corporation in the end? And when we started, we actually defined our projects. We looked through three lenses. We looked at, is it a game changer? So is this truly transformative in how we operate and run our business? So high impact. Is it productivity improvement? So, is what we're doing going to improve productivity, free up the function individual to do more value added work? Or can we truly automate something? So we kind of kept that as far as the focus, as far as how we evaluate. And I think it wasn't just, hey, here's an idea, let's run with it. It's now let's dig into that. And I think we go through that process and evaluate. And then it goes through a governance process. So again, we're trying and we've evolved over the past 3 years is good governance, responsible use of AI. So having cross-functional representation of compliance, legal, quality, IT, information security, really assessing and saying, okay, does this make sense? Is there any watch outs?